Hello, my name's Sophie Martin, and the technology tool I'm going to be walking us through today is Pixlr, which is a photo editor. Now, I'm using the version on the laptop, but it's also available as an app on your phone. I just thought it'd be easier with the screencast to do it on the laptop. So, how you get to this website is you just type Pixlr in Google and it'll come up right away. And you do need to sign up with an email. I've already done so. So you'd want to have like your students use their email, but they could probably just use their school email. And how you start is you go to pick this top one right here, which is the advanced photo editor. We don't want the graphic design. That's a little bit more advanced. And so this is the free version. There is like a more exclusive version that you pay for, but you can get everything that you need with the free version. So there's really no point in using the paid for version. So it takes you to this and it provides you with a lot of templates that you can use. And if you can see here, there's some to use like for pictures, there's like stuff for marketing, there's stuff for holidays, a ton of different ones you can use. And then down here, there's other types of templates that you can use. And I think for a template that would probably be the most useful for like the classroom and students is a simple collage, and it gives you a bunch of different like templates for a collage. They can pin their pictures, put in their different borders, things like that. There's so many to choose from, and I think that would be a really great thing for students to use. But first, what I'm gonna show you today is just how to edit a photo with this. So you want to start with going to Open Image, and it's going to take you to your downloads. Now I'm just going to use my this picture right here of me and my friend. Just a simple picture. You can use whatever picture you want. And there's a bunch of different tools and things that we can do with the pictures. I'll just go through a couple because it would take too long to go through all of them, but I'll go through the ones that I think would be useful for like a student who's working on a project. Now first there is a crop option. If it will, there we go. With all technology, there's going to be some slow internet, so sorry about that. Now say we want like the picture to be smaller, don't want all these clouds in the picture. Maybe we want it a bit skinnier so it's more focused on me and my friend. And then you press the apply and there we go. Now say that you do this, but you don't end up liking how it looks and you want to redo it. Any kind of thing you want to undo, you go to edit right here and then undo, and you'll go back one step back from what you've done. Some other things that I think are useful on here, there is an option if you just want to like get a certain part of the picture and have everything else go away. There we go. And I'm going to just do that again. So we go back to normal. Some other options is we have this pen option. This is very small right now, so we don't really want that. To adjust the size, you go here. If you want it to be nice and thick, there we go. And then to change the colors, so we're gonna do like red. Okay. All right, and there we go. Just want to, scribble all over that. Let's just get rid of this so it doesn't get too cluttered. Undo. There we go. Other things that we can do is we can add text. So yeah, just right there, you can change the size, you can change the font, whatever you want. Things like that. Once again, I'm just going to undo. And there's a bunch of different things you can do. Is this the different options? Yeah, like enhancing it, things like that. But yeah, there's a bunch of different things that we can use for this. And I just think that this would be a great resource for students because it allows them to be creative. It allows them to be kind of artsy. There's a whole bunch of different things they can use. It's relatively easy to learn once you know what all the different buttons do and you just kind of explore it a little more. I wish there was kind of more tutorial options on it, but it was pretty easy to figure out. And yeah, when you're done, you just go to File, Save, and yep, we'll just do it like that. All right, and then you download it, and then you got a new picture. So thank you very much for listening to me. I hope that you better understand how to use Pixlr, and perhaps you'll use it in your own classroom or have your students use it. Thank you.